Kites take flight, dancing colors fill the light. Red and yellow, blue and green, the brightest sky you've ever seen. Fly, fly, fly in the kite parade. Spin and twirl, don't be afraid. High in the clouds where dreams are made. Join the fun, the kite parade. The wind says whoosh and off they go. Tails are swirling to and fro. Kids all laugh and shout hooray! It's a happy breezy day. One kite zooms, another spins. Everyone claps, the joy begins. The biggest kite with stars of gold flies so high, so brave and bold. The tiny kite with a curly tail swings and dips like a little whale. Up and down it swoops and slides, singing loud with sky-high pride. A rainbow kite waves side to side, gliding smooth, it loves the ride. Clouds peek down and softly say, such fun up here today. Strings go tangling, kids say oops, then giggle loud in joyful loops. The wind blows big, the sky turns wide. It's magic, in the air we ride. When the sun begins to set, kites still twinkle, don't forget. One last twirl before they fade. Goodbye to the kite parade. Fly, 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 the kites have played all day long in the kite parade. Colors fade, but smiles stay